Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to use the Adword budget sheet. I prepared this just to give you an idea on how much we have spent for each market for the month of March. That's up until yesterday, so just to get the full data. And then at least you will have an idea on what you're going or you wanted to spend uh, for the month of April. Anyway, so I've split them into three markets since the budgets are allocated per market. And then so if you can see here, I put the type of campaign because you might want to allocate the budget by campaign type. And on my end, we might not follow like what we have uh, the one that we have in our AdWords campaign deck. Might probably we will change them into a different campaign name. However, the type will be video, so you might want to add a video budget for this market, say Australia. So last month we spent about almost 2,000. Probably for the April budget we might want to spend another 2,000, but we split that into um, prospecting campaign, which is this one, and remarketing campaign. So that's like probably 60% prospecting campaign for the 2040 will be for the remarketing video campaigns. Or on another way, we'll just put all the 2000 here for the prospecting video campaign, and then probably add one more row for the remarketing campaign. And then remarketing can be video and banners all together and targeting certain audience who have visited our site. So yeah, that's for Australia. And then it will automatically calculate the daily budget for each. So and also you can put some notes here if you want to add comments per campaign. And then what else? So for the UK, we don't have shopping campaign yet, so we only have Gmail campaigns. So for March, we have spent about almost 800, 1,000 for the Gmail ads. So just let me know if you want to uh, put an allocated monthly budget for April, say 1,000 or just 800, and we will just play around with that amount for the entire month of April. And for the video ads, if you also wanted to put a remarketing video ad budget, then you can just add a new row here, and yeah, just put the type of campaign that is remarketing, maybe a few remarketing, then video, or maybe just remarketing, and we put any type of just play around with the budget. It can be a text ad, banner ad, or a video ad. What else? So actually, these RLSA campaigns are remarketing for search ads. So, but they are, however, we put them together as search ads. So I think on your end, you'll just combine all the search ads all together and probably put the budget here. And on my end, I will just help you calculate how much are we going to spend for each, because at least for March we already have an idea how much we are spending for each of the subtype of search campaign. Say if this is the pure search campaign and this one is remarketing ads for search. So yeah, just let me know or just fill it in here, and then yeah, I think that's pretty much it. uh, yeah, have a great day everyone.